Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Got a new mould from Temu. As you can see, comes in two parts. One's obviously a clock base, and that's the Roman numerals. Thought it was really cool, very inexpensive. I thought we'd be doing the clock today. Now, this will be a collaboration video with Nikki and Kirk from Koenig's, and I can't remember, Craft Quest it's called. Now I will be linking the playlist down in the description. Please take a look. Loads of people are joining in, and it is a gamer collaboration, so I will be doing it and decorating it in the style of mine and Mr. Editor's favourite game. Good grief, that was a mouthful. Our favourite game on the Xbox. We do like to play the Xbox very often together, and this is our favourite game. We're on number 5 now, and it's called Gears of War. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll get some resin mixed up and we'll get cracking. I've mixed resin up, and the resin I'm using today is T-Expert Epoxy, and I'm going to decant it. I made 300 mils up. I'm going to decant it into each of those. Don't know how much this mould is going to take. Probably that's a bit too much. We'll see. Yeah, I'm going to leave a bit of clear in here just in case. Let's level these up. There we go. That's fairly even. Right, one of them is going to have red mica powder. This is from Hemway, and Let's Resin black alcohol ink in the other. Right, let's get some sticks on the go, if I can find any. There we go. Right. I might just pour a bit. No, I won't. No, I won't. I'm going to put quite a lot in there. Want it black. Obviously, it's never going to be opaque, but I do want it quite black. Give that a good stir. I want it all mixed in properly. You can't really tell because it's stained Mystic. Get it all from the sides. I'm actually going for a crackle effect on this. Now that I've said it, I probably won't get it. Might need a bit more black in that. You can't really see. Get it higher up. Yeah, it's not black enough. Pop a bit more in. I'll give you a bit of music while I'm mixing these up, just so you can see what I'm doing. We'll pour the black first. Let me pop this stick over there. I'm just hoping I've made enough. Make sure you get it all out. We don't want to be wasting any resin, do we? We'll see if we can't jiggle it around, move it. I perhaps should have mixed 400 up. When I know how much it takes, it'll be easier next time. I will write it on the mould. I keep saying I should do that, but right. I'm just helping it along to the edges. Don't have to be perfect because, of course, when I put the red in, it's going to move it. There we go. One last scrape. Right, now it's time for the red. I don't want to be filling the cloth up too much because I'm going to be putting some decals on that I've made on my Cricut Maker. So there needs to be space for a last coat. And I don't know whether I'm going to be making the numbers that came with it. I might have to. I've got a few ideas in the pipeline for something to stick instead of numbers, but we will see. Right, let's see if we can move that red a little bit without disturbing the black, because resin does pull into the centre. I think 300 was enough. We'll see what it does there. Resin does what it wants anyway. Right. I'm hoping that it's on a levelling table, by the way. I don't know whether I don't think I will put it on a neat mat because I just want it to do its thing without being harassed. But that's plenty, absolutely plenty. Let's give it a squirt of isopropyl alcohol. We don't want any bubbles, do we? And I'm going to give it a push with my heat gun as well. Right, the numbers. I've mixed up some Tea Expert resin and I've only mixed up, well, I've got 2 pots. I mixed up 60 mils. And I'm just going to pour it into here. Oh, and I've put a tiny bit of red glitter in. Don't know whether you'll see it, but it's worth a go. This is the back I've mixed up. Jade Itchen 4-hour demold for the simple reason it's thicker and quicker. Thicker and quicker. Anyway, and I'm just going to give it a back coat of black. I've put my little rubber bung in there. Oops. And I'm just going to top coat it. Right, I'm going to go over it with a heat gun. I'm not going to spray it with alcohol because I don't want it to be flowing over, and I'm just hoping and praying that I've got this table as level as possible. I'm going to sit with it for a while because I definitely don't want it going over, and I definitely don't need to be putting anything else on it. I'll see you when it's cured. Decal's all ready. Just need some transfer tape on it and then we're good to go. There we go. Give it a good scrub. There we go. Right, and I thought about putting it central, but then the hole will be through right between his eyes, so I want the hole through his nose, so it'll be slightly off centre, but I think that's the best place for it. It's on now anyway, isn't it? There's nothing I can do about it. Yay! It worked. His nose has come off. Which is a shame, but it is what it is, I'm afraid. Right, we've got a little bit of enable, but let's see if we can get it out. Should come out. There we go. Must be an hole in the clock there. I'm sorry, I was quiet then, weren't I? I was concentrating. There we go. Yeah. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to top coat this. I think it has crackled a little bit, but not a proper crackle, and I think it's because it was too thin. So it will be getting a top coat, but I'm also going to be doing a black layer on the back, so the cloth will be slightly thicker. Not that it'll help with the crackle. Too late for that now, but I kind of like the effect that it's given. I'm so sorry. I thought I'd switched the camera on. I've put the top coat on and I've put the numbers in very carefully, and I've just gone to switch the camera off and it wasn't even on. I do apologise. Anyway, I do have other videos on how to do a top coat, so I'll pop one of those in if you need to know. Right, so it's had a top coat. I'm going to sit with it for a while because I don't want it running over. Right, so I will be back once that's cured. Right, now for the clock mechanism. I did buy a clock mechanism that didn't fit through the hole, It was far too short. Beautiful hands. So I ordered another one. I'm laughing because look at it. Look how long that is. And now I can't find the other one with the beautiful hands. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Welcome to my world. So I'm going to pop that through. Look how long it is. Yeah. I've got, and it's only for me, this clock. It's for me and the editor. But the hands are going to be like 3 foot in front of the clock. Right, so I'm going ahead with it. Now I don't like this gold. The other one was silver, and like I say, Mr. Editor's at work and I can't find it anywhere. So I might change this, but for now, put the nut on, tighten it up. It's not moving anywhere, hopefully. There we go. Now, by the looks of things, by the looks of the hand, the short hand goes on first. Push that down. Then the hour hands. No, that's a minute hand. Oh, good grief. Wendy, get a grip. I do apologise. And the second hand, like I say, not overly fond of the gold, but there we go. I think it's cool. I've never made a clock before. I just think it's absolutely cool. Can't wait for it to be on wall. I just hope the mechanism works. I shall get a battery for it. But I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll leave a link to the playlist, everybody else's videos, in the description box below. Please please go and check them out. There'll be some wonderful crafts, there really will. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.